In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a star rating system in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean visual star display that updates automatically whenever you enter a score. This is perfect for reviews, feedback trackers, or any database where you want a quick at-a-glance rating. Start by opening the Notion database where you want the rating to appear. We'll begin by adding a simple number field that captures the rating you want to give. Create a new property, set its type to number, and name it score. This is where you'll type in a value from 1 to 5. Keep things consistent by using whole numbers only, no decimals, so the output looks clean. If you are standardizing across a team or template, it can help to note somewhere that the expected range is 1 to 5. Next, we'll create the stars that display automatically based on that score. Add another property. Choose the formula type and name it rating. This formula property will do the heavy lifting by turning your numeric score into a row of stars. Make sure the name of your number property is exactly score, matching capitalization and spelling, because the formula will reference it directly. Now, paste this formula into the formula editor. Slices Fay 0, prop score. Here is what it does. The string Fay is simply 5-star characters in a row. The slice function takes a portion of that string, starting at position 0 and ending at the number you enter in score. So if score is 3, the formula slices the first 3 characters and shows 3 stars. If score is 5, you'll see all 5. If you leave score empty or put 0, nothing will show, which can be helpful for unrated items. A couple of practical tips as you use this. The number of stars in the string controls the maximum rating, so if you ever want a different scale, like out of 4 or out of 10, you can adjust the number of stars in the quotation marks accordingly and keep your score within that same range. Stick to whole numbers for clean results. And if your database already has a property named differently, either rename it to score or update the formula to reference the exact property name you are using. Finally, test it. Type 3 in the score column and watch the rating column instantly display Fay. It's simple, fast, and looks great in any database view. Thanks for watching.